Diba? Ayan, ang galing. Turo. Pero di mo na kailangan.
Sali ako sa coach, pero dapat kayong dalawa nandun.
Sasali ka sa coach.
Oh,
Sige, kami contestant.
Hindi, coach lang pala.
Okay. Okay. Anyway, di ba, kanina we used to be one divided by two. Ngayon, meron tayong kanta sa mga hindi makamove on.
Kami yan!
Oh, yung mga ayaw pagtanggapin ng katotohanan.
No!
Nakamove on na tayo, ayaw nila.
No! You can be one again! I'm gonna kill you.
May violence.
Alam nyo, maraming kaming mga, o siya, tapos ginagawa mga shows, na siya, o rin may ginagawa mga shows. Pero talagang mas maganda yung nangyari ngayon. Kaya tayo nagsama ulit, di ba? Because sometimes, everybody needs a second try.
Yeah.
One more chance. Let's give it one more.
Nag-iinisan kami lagi. Okay.
Yeah, we should.
Yes, yes.
We should.
Started. I'll ask you first, Papa.
We should, we should.
Papa
Go, go,
daw.
go.
Papa daw.
Hindi po ito pera o bayo. Hindi po namin kasali sa hindi po contest ito. Walang sasagot. Okay. Sabi na, no, yes, yes. Okay, joke.
Okay, should we stay?
Walk away or give it one more try.
One more try.
What a waste to let our dreams
Hi.
die. And as the days go by, we'll always wonder.
Wow.
To find one day.
Sorry guys, I'm killing, so my hand is moving.
This is what we really want to be.
Oh, he's feeling it so hard.
In our new lives, we need to have so much. It really is quite tough. Love is
Not enough. Tell me why
one thing about your child.
only to part ways in the end. Tell me how we want to love each other, and tell me why two people have to choose. Was it right that made us hurting words we should not even say? Hold my hand and look straight in my eyes. If we can say
Yes.
then we're worth one more
Dito ka lang.
Hindi. Ikaw na ito. Ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, maraming salamat. Palakpan po natin. Miss Sharon Cordero.
Yes. And I present to you right now the one that beat Chad Madela. Gabby Concepcion.